You can use your ear to help the mind and body relax. So there's a little spot just here in the ear. Here's one I prepared earlier. We call that Shen Men in Chinese medicine, and you can use it to calm and relax the spirit. So basically like the mind. So if you're suffering from any anxiety or you're having some trouble sleeping because your thoughts are racing, you can get in there and you can massage that yourself. You can do it nice and slowly a few times a day. And then also as you're starting to go to bed, you can kind of massage that yourself. Another classic spot that you can use, which is also on the head, also another really nice one that you can use when you're going to sleep, is just here, right in between the eyebrows. So you can get in there and just give yourself a nice, simple and gentle massage. Not trying to rev yourself up, but like slow and deliberate with a few deep breaths. And that should actually help the mind and the body start to calm down. Another really simple thing that you can do is you can do for yourself is you can add an ear seed. So an ear seed is basically it's a sticker with a little metal ball in it, or a little seed. That's what they used to use. And you can put that on that spot there yourself. By putting it there, what it does is it kind of continues to stimulate that throughout the day. And you can also, it's easier for you to find and then massage yourself. So here is the ear. So that's that little spot just there. There's a bunch of different products out there. We've made a nice little simple one with a little, drawing of some other areas that you can use. So if you have any questions about that, you can let me know. The other really good point that you can use is nice and simply on the wrist. So just below there, just if you can see that kind of tendon, that spot, you can get in there and massage that yourself. So by massaging that for 30 to 90 seconds, a few times a day, once again, you're not trying to really get in there and hurt yourself. You're trying to gently, calmly massage that while having a few deep breaths. You should start to feel the chest open, the mind start to calm down. And if you're trying to get to sleep, it should make it a lot easier to get off the bed. If you have any questions, please let me know.